Hello everyone, welcome to the course 5G Network Key Technologies, Architecture and Protocols. This is a comprehensive and extensive course about 5G in which we have tried to explain the 5G technology in an easy to understand way. We will begin this course by describing the key drivers that led to the development of the 5G and how the standardization of the 5G is going on. After that, we will study the key technologies that have been used in the development of the 5G new radio, and we will discuss these technologies. Then we will explain the concepts of massive MIMO and beamforming in 5G. After that, we will take a deeper dive into the overall 5G network architecture, what is the 5G access network, what is 5G core network, and what are the elements of the 5G core network and what are the functions of those elements. Then we will explain the network function virtualization and network slicing in 5G. After that, we will study the identifiers in the 5G. What are the user equipment identifiers? What are the 5G network identifiers? What are 5G tracking areas? And once we know the identifiers, then we are able to understand the procedures in the 5G. And we are going to study these procedures. After that, we will study the service-based architecture in 5G. First, we will discuss the fundamentals of the 5G service-based architecture, and then we will explain them using these two use cases. After that, we will study the security in the 5G networks, what is the 5G authentication and key agreement procedure in order to generate the 5G security keys, and what is the hierarchy of these security keys. And after that, we will study the voice over 5G call flows using the IP multimedia subsystem. And then we will study the 5G new radio air interface. What are the new 5G new radio absolute radio frequency channel numbers? What is the concept of bandwidth part in 5G? What is resource grid on 5G air interface? And what are the 5G new radio channels and how these channels are used in the 5G new radio procedures? We are going to study all that. As for my introduction, my name is Dr. Mozam Divana. I did my PhD from Orange Lab, Paris in 2010 on the topic of the optimization of the LT networks. I have over 19 years of industrial and academic experience in the domain of telecommunication, and I am very excited to be your teacher in this course.